So before we started creating our sequence and animating characters and the camera, first I wanted to show you what we will be doing and how a scene will look at the end. So here I have our character, we have the environment, the pose and everything. And if I click space, we can see the animation going. So this is kind of the effects that we want. You can see the depth of field blurring, you can see the character animated camera zooming in and out. And let me click space, right click, change the camera, and let's look at another camera. You can also see the soft shadows of the character. You can see the different poses panning and the effects that we will be trying to achieve. So I just wanted you to see kind of what result we want to get before we start actually doing anything in the scene. So this is kind of what we'll be doing, creating these shots so we can later export them to HitFilm, edit them a bit there, and basically export them for you to use it on YouTube video or Instagram or wherever you want.